Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. Today we discuss about test statistics in hypothesis testing. Test statistics is used to take decision about null hypothesis, whether to accept the null hypothesis or to reject the null hypothesis. Data to be obtained for test statistics from experiment or survey and compares test statistics result with the results obtained from null hypothesis. It is important to note that test statistics that does not prove the hypothesis to be correct, but it acts as evidence against the hypothesis. To understand this whole concept with the help of this flowchart, here is the population. We draw a statement from this population about hypothesis about population parameter that is assumed to be true. This will be named as null hypothesis and mathematically it is denoted by H0. And from this statement we calculate p-value, and on the other side from this population we draw a sample, because on the basis of this sample we take the decision or draw inference about population parameter. So as you know from sample observations, the value computed called statistic, and this statistics may be mean, proportion, and from these sample values we calculate the value of test statistic, and on the basis of this value compare with p-value, we take decision about the population parameter. Types of test statistics in hypothesis testing are four. First, z-test, its test statistics is z-score. Second, t-test, its test statistic is t-score. Third, chi-square test, its test statistic is chi-square statistics. Fourth, ANOVA, its test statistics is F statistics. In upcoming videos we discuss in detail all these hypothesis tests. Here is the important property about test statistics is its sampling distribution under null hypothesis must be calculable either exactly or approximately, and this allows p-value to be calculated. Thanks.